Categorizing expenses in Quicken is an essential step in managing your personal finances effectively. To get started, open Quicken and navigate to the Transactions tab, where you will see a list of all your transactions. The first step is to understand the different types of categories available in Quicken. These include income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, and savings. Income categories are used for transactions that increase your account balance, such as salary and investments. Fixed expenses are regular payments that remain the same each month, like rent and mortgage. Variable expenses are irregular payments that can change from month to month, such as groceries and entertainment. Savings categories are used for transactions that increase your savings account balance. To categorize an expense, select the transaction you want to categorize and click on the category field. Quicken will suggest a category based on the transaction description, but you can change it if needed. For example, if you have a transaction for a payment to a restaurant, Quicken may suggest the category food, but you can change it to dining out if you prefer. You can also create your own custom categories in Quicken. To do this, go to the category list and click on Add Category. Enter a name for your category and select the type of category it is, such as income or expense. You can also assign a subcategory to your custom category, which allows you to track specific types of expenses within a larger category. Best practices for categorizing expenses in Quicken include being as specific as possible when creating categories, using subcategories to track specific types of expenses, and regularly reviewing your category list to ensure it is up to date. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively categorize your expenses in Quicken and gain a better understanding of your personal finances. This will enable you to make informed decisions about your money and achieve your financial goals.